good mattress can last for years, but only if you take care of it. Because here's the truth, a mattress does not just wear out. It is often worn out by poor handling. You buy a new mattress. At the beginning, it feels perfect, comfortable, supportive, refreshing. But after some months, you notice it starts sinking. It feels uneven, comfort reduces, and you start wondering, is this mattress not strong? But sometimes the issue is not the mattress, it is how it is being used. A mattress is built with support layers, foam structure, pressure balance. Daily use affects it, but proper care helps it maintain shape, retain support, and last longer. Practical ways to care for your mattress. 1. Use a bed frame or proper base. Never place your mattress directly on the floor long term. Why? Poor airflow, moisture buildup, faster wear. A proper bed frame helps air circulation, structural support, hygiene. 2. Rotate your mattress regularly. Over time, your body creates pressure in one spot. Rotate your mattress every 3 to 6 months. This helps. Even out wear, maintain shape, extend lifespan. 3. Avoid sitting on one edge constantly. Many people sit on the same spot every day. This weekends. Edge support, foam structure. Over time, that side starts collapsing. 4. Keep it clean and protected. Use mattress covers, bed sheets. This protects against dirt, sweat, spills. A clean mattress lasts longer. 5. Avoid jumping or excess pressure. Jumping on the mattress may seem harmless, but it can damage internal layers, reduce durability. Mattresses are designed for rest, not impact. 6. Keep it dry. Moisture is a major enemy. Avoid spills, damp environments. If it gets wet, dry it immediately. 7. Handle with care. During movement, when moving your mattress, don't drag, don't fold aggressively. Carry it properly. Handling affects structure. A mattress is an investment. Taking care of it means better sleep quality, longer lifespan, more value for your money. If you want your mattress to truly last, start with a quality foundation. One reliable option in Nigeria is Winco Foam Industries Limited. We design mattresses with strong internal structure, balanced support, durable materials, which makes proper care even more effective, because even the best mattress needs care, but a well-built mattress responds better to care. And with options like a 14-night sleep trial, you're not just buying, you're making a more confident decision from the start. Your mattress supports you every night. The question is, are you supporting it? Because when you take care of your mattress, it takes care of your sleep. And when your sleep improves, everything else improves. Visit www.wincofoam.com to get your mattress today. For more educational posts, like and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, sleep well, live better.